So what are the content you're posting on your Facebook page? Automated post by your Twitter wall. That is very important. After creating page, what are the content you're posting? By link is very important. By link is very important. I'm logging for Twitter. I'm logging for Facebook page. To connect any option, facebook.com/Twitter. In this option call is link to Twitter option. Link to the Twitter option. What are the posting done? Automatic posting done by your Twitter, Facebook to Twitter wall. This will be supported by the profile to Twitter, page to Twitter. Multiple page will connect by one Twitter account, but one page not connecting for multiple Twitters. Multiple page connect by one Twitter account, one Facebook page not connecting for multiple Twitters. One page support only for link with one Twitter. In this, I'll checking for linking is done. Now, I'll select my website will be site open, Control C. Always remember they will support only for link. They support by link. So after posting, I'll show the schedule post also. After posting, I'll show the schedule post also. In this, we have the multiple images are there. I'll show only for one image, including your content. Include your content. Copy, paste. Always. Previous we can use in total hashtags. Now we'll be changing for first any content will be showing for without hashtags. First we can show for option call is content. Now I done my post. First you check the total content. Now click for share. Now post done by your Facebook page along with the link. So that will be post for where? A Twitter account. So in this, whatever posting will be done, now click for profile. Now done. When will be posting for June 20th. Today will be post. New post will be not updating. Wait for few seconds. Only link will be support Facebook page to Twitter sharing. They now support images and any video. Select here. Refresh. Now you can scroll your page. Then Asamas Kismaguda.com, Mandirin, Mallaguda, Kismaguda and Hyderabad. Then Mallaguda, Kismaguda and Hyderabad. Now click for refresh. Is it clear? And what are the posts will be scheduled on your Facebook page? Automated post for where? Twitter wall also. What are the scheduled posts will be done in your Facebook page? Is showing for where? Twitter wall. The page will be posting for up to 6 months. The page will post for how many months? Up to 6 months. So select here. I select by contact as link. Copy. And post. Select your content. I'm sharing location here. as shared by Mehdi Patna. Copy, search your keyword, and copy this one, post on your Facebook, remove contact us, upload by one image. When asking for image, upload by image will be mandatory. Select here, post image, and any option, content will be change option is there. Content will be change option will be there. Select, copy, change option is there. You can't change your option. Now share now. What is called schedule post? How many months you can schedule your post? Up to 6 months. When? Jan 19th. So my schedule will be now posting will be done 23. Minimum how many time will be required? 10 minutes. Now all the time will be 8:26. I can post for 27. It will not accept. Minimum required for 10 minutes. I'll post for 8:40. Okay. PM schedule and schedule post. Anytime schedule post by Facebook page and Twitter. So how many pages you schedule? Everything will be moved to on Facebook page to Twitter account. It's a very important to post on your Facebook to Twitter and schedule post Facebook page to Twitter account. Write on URL facebook.com/Twitter.